wanted to do something a little bit special for the 4th of July, Independence Day. So I picked up something that I normally do not pick up. USA Baseball Stars and Stripes. Let's see what we find in here. I have never opened a pack of these. It's from Panini. I know it's supposed to be like minor leaguers, or somebody explained to me exactly what this is. I know it's going to be people that are probably haven't heard of before. Nolan McLean. These are guys that are probably going to come up. This is 2020. Guys that are going to come up in the next few years. Drew Romo. Drew Romo. Benjamin Nealand. Got a shiny card here. Gonna have to flip that over to read it. Braden Shumaki. Why is that backwards? We got an autograph. Nice. Cool. And let's see who this guy is. Gavin Ochoa, right-handed pitcher. That's nice. Bought 2 packs of these. Luke Waddell. Spencer Butt. Is that really his name? Spencer Butt? That must be hard. Lucas Gordon. Got another pack. Let's see what we get in here. These were kind of expensive, like really expensive. Pete Crow Armstrong. Pete Crow Armstrong. Kind of hard to read these. Tyler Brown. Max Meyer. I'm going to put these away and see if these guys turn into something, I guess is what you do with these, right? Can't read that guy's name at all. Colton Cowser. Is this going to be, this is backwards again. Oh, this one's thick. Let's do that last. Alejandro Rosario. Shea Langoliers. Nate Savino. And Silhouettes Chris McMahon. Nice. Oh, it's an auto and a relic. Wow. Nice looking card. Nice looking card. Thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July.